Well, hey, all, welcome. This is a spin scrubber. Now, you might be thinking, well, what the heck do I need that for when I have a hand? Well, let me tell you, I've been using one for a long time, and you'll be surprised at what you can do with it. I'll show you that coming up. But first of all, let me tell you that the folks at YKYI sent me this one so that I could check it out and share my opinion with you, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Before we dive into everything that comes in the box, let me show you how I use this spin scrubber. It's perfect for tackling my stainless steel sink. And when I attach the extension arms, I don't have to bend over to clean the shower or bathtub. And it also works great cleaning my toilet. This spin scrubber has 3 speeds and a powerful battery that keeps it running for up to 4 hours when fully charged. It comes with a USB charging cable, but you'll need to use your own wall adapter to charge it. This scrubber is IPX7 waterproof rated, so it's safe to use in wet areas like bathrooms and kitchens. And if it accidentally takes the shower, no worries, it can handle that too. Let's take a look and see what comes in the box. First, we have the electric spin scrubber itself and 2 extension tubes so you can easily reach high and low areas. You'll also find 8 retractable brush heads, each designed for specific cleaning needs. For storage, you'll find a wall hook for the main unit and a mesh bag for the brush heads. I personally prefer this scrubber over my old one because it's much more versatile thanks to the adjustable, detachable handle. I definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching.